In this video, I will show you how you can create your own Windows 10 install media USB for free and very easily. So first thing, take your USB and insert it into your computer. Keep in mind that in this process, any data on your USB will be deleted. In most cases, the computer formats the USB prior to installing this install media. So again, make sure you don't need that data. It will be erased. So first place you want to go is up here. I will have this URL below in the description. I'll also include it up top in the video so you can click on it. You're going to scroll down here to where it says Create Windows 10 Install Media, and you're going to click on Download Now. There it is. It's downloaded. So we're going to go grab that from its folder. So you're going to click on this download icon here, and we're going to go to the folder. And there's my media creation tool. I'll double click on it to activate it. Yes. Getting a few things ready. Now make sure at this point that you have your USB plugged into your computer. Here you can accept all the TNCs. Now here you want to be careful which option you select. So this is asking if I want to upgrade this PC, which would be the computer that I'm currently using, or if I want to create installation media onto my USB. So for this video, what we're doing is we are creating install media. So I'm going to make sure that is selected. I'm going to hit next. Select the language. Yes, this is all good. Next. USB flash drive. Again, we have the USB plugged in. And there it is. And now it starts getting that USB ready. Keep in mind, as mentioned earlier, this will delete all data on that USB. In most cases, it will format it first. So anything you have on there, you will lose. Just so you guys know, this has taken just over 15 minutes on my computer. It could be less or more time depending on the speed of yours. And now we're done. Your USB flash drive is ready. So now you can take that USB out and you can use it to install Windows onto your computer. If you want, I will have video links below in the description showing you how to install Windows 10 using this USB with various brands of computers. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs below in the description. It could save you some time looking for an answer. If you do need to leave me a question or comment, please feel free. I do try to get to those a couple times a day at least. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.